The user selects both the city and the specific urban energy model UEM from the main screen and logs into the platform. The UEM defines the rules to perform the evaluation. This UEM has been set previously by selecting the appropriate data and tools for the purpose of the study. In this case, the UEM for North Harbour, Copenhagen, Denmark is chosen. The user creates a plan, new building code/energy standards, on which the coming different projects with different energy standards for buildings are based. In other words, the plan will act as the baseline in the case of this analysis. The user selects the buildings in a sub-area of North Harbour that he or she wants to analyze as regards to the energy standards and adds them to the plan. The buildings selected and added to the plan will be the only ones that will be analyzed further on. This enables the user to perform specific geographically defined analysis of the neighborhoods and districts within the urban development area of North Harbour. Then the user creates a project and provides it with a name and a description which allow the user to better identify the projects in the future. The user creates a project within the plan and assigns a meaningful name to it. In the project creation windows, the user swaps to the next tab, showing data such as energy intensities for buildings and change them accordingly to the expectations in the new building code/energy standards. The user can view the energy performance post-interventions in the defined plan and projects. The user visualizes the change to the model by choosing a building indicator, for instance energy demand for space heating. The user can move the slider to the left in order to visualize buildings indicator for the plan, and the user can move the slider to the right in order to visualize buildings indicator for the project. The user is also able to view the results in a table view, where green and/or red numbers indicate a change in the value. In this instance, it is clearly seen that changing energy intensities reduce both heat demand and save CO2 emissions. After the user has viewed the plan and the project with the different urban indicators and is satisfied with the visual results, the user continues to the analysis part. The user creates a multi-criteria analysis, which compares the plan and the project against each other on a set of different performance indicators. The outcome of the multi-criteria analysis are shown at the bottom, and it shows a clear benefit in terms of CO2 savings for space heating and hot water in the project with a more strict building code. Now the user is more confident about what she or he should present to her manager in terms of the impacts of a more strict or new energy standards in the proposed development area.